Quit saying we're going on a road trip. Woo! 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 Crater Lake?
Land of fire and ice. What?
Hello, good morning. My name is Alyssa. And for those of you who don't know, basically everyone on the internet. This is my boyfriend, Giancarlo. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we are driving from Seattle, so like Seattle, Washington, we're gonna go to Crater Lake in Oregon, and we're gonna go camping. So I'm super excited. It's bright and early, like 5 o'clock in the morning, and we're gonna go and hopefully get there by 12, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna go camping and set up a tent and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be sleeping the rest of the way, but I'll check in later as when I'm driving and he's sleeping. So see you then. Update, we're at IHOP. Now IHOP, on maps though it's still called IHOP, so I'm gonna call it IHOP. Here's Giancarlo.
Hello.
Hey, so it's like 2 o'clock and we finally got to the campground. So this is what it looks like. There are horses around here and it's right next to the street. And we're not too far from Crater Lake, which is where we're gonna be hiking. And now it's time to set up our tent.
Help.
Okay, I'm helping. Update, we forgot the hatchet, so we're using my softball bat that I left in the trunk of my car for ages to try to nail in everything. It's not gonna work. Hi, MTV, and welcome to my crib. And it has all this space. So now we just need to put our bed down and everything else. We're in the hammock.
Mama.
We've established it look like a little chicken. We are joining nature.
Oh, the crow shut up, finally.
Man, I was gonna show you. Man. Ooh, we got the lamp going, and here's our tent, and we made hot dogs. Making hot dogs, making hot dogs, making hot dogs, making hot dogs. We went to go get gas and our GPS just told us to turn around, and we just passed our campsite that we left like an hour ago. Good times. Okay, we'll be there soon. We're finally here. We're starting our journey. We went to the gift store and I already bought a slurp. I can't speak. I already bought a shirt. Look. I'm like bragging that I did this hike and I haven't even gone here to the trailhead yet. And we got Cheez-Its and we're gonna start and we're ready. You ready for this view? You ready for the view? Presenting from my peanut butter and jelly covered fingers, Crater Lake. Oh, wow. Hello? Whose man's?
Alyssa's man's. Doesn't love them right. Mama!
Sorry about the horrible lighting in here, but yeah, that was our trip to Crater Lake. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye!